How to open Incognito Mode in Google Chrome on your Windows PC or laptop. If you want to browse the web without Chrome saving your browsing history, cookies, or search history on your device, Incognito Mode is the perfect option. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. For the first method, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the Chrome window. From the menu that appears, click New Incognito Window. That's it. A new incognito window will open. You can confirm it's active when you see the incognito icon and the dark-themed window. Now, here's the faster method. If Google Chrome is already open, simply press Ctrl-Shift-N on your keyboard. Instantly, a new incognito window will open without going through the menu. Keep in mind that incognito mode does not make you anonymous online. The websites you visit, your internet service provider, your school, or your employer can still see your online activity depending on the network you're using. So incognito mode helps protect your privacy on your computer, but it doesn't completely hide your activity on the internet. And that's how you can open incognito mode in Google Chrome on a Windows PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching.